Let me show you how to place two apps in a split screen mode on your Samsung S26 and Samsung S26 Ultra. So first what you want to do is you want to open the first app which you want to place on the top basically. And you can also have the second app that you want to place on the bottom open. So for example calculator, or we can set it later as well. So you see, then if you click basically this view where it opens all your apps running in the background, you see it displays this icon of the app here. So you see for calculator here and the browser here. If you click, you see we can open in split screen view. So and this app will get placed on the top, the first one. Then either you can select basically from the apps you have in the background, or also most used apps, or also see if you scroll here, you can select any other app you have basically on your phone installed. For example, calculator. So you see, and both got opened. Also, obviously, you can do this as well. And also, you see, you can change the size of it very easily, like this as well. So, for example, you can easily work on this side while also maybe watching some video on the other side, let's say. And you see, you can fully interact here. Obviously, the screen size is kind of small. So you see, yeah, pretty cool. And if perhaps you want to close either of the apps, for example, if you want to leave this app open but close this one, you simply swipe like this. So again, from the middle and all the way. Yeah, so you see only this app is still open here. Okay, good luck.